Good morning. My name is Payal Bajaj and I'm from the Blue Sky Venture. My teammates Sangya Sahu and Akash Pradhan have decided to start this venture to provide education to the less fortunate, poor students who do not have access to go to school or are stuck behind because of the COVID situation and cannot go to school can join us as we provide education at bare minimum prices, also following all the COVID-19 guidelines. This can be an advantage to those parents who struggle to meet their ends. We at the Blue Sky Venture follow all the COVID 19 guidelines, that is, social distancing, proper sanitization, wearing masks, etc., to prevent the spread of coronavirus. And we also allow only few students at one time, that is, we teach students batch wise so that there are no possible spreads of coronavirus. Also, there were no huge investments made at the beginning of this venture as we teach under the open sky, hence the name Blue Sky. As we know, there are no proper schools or tuition classes at rural areas and parents struggle to provide their children good education. So we decided to start this tuition class so that students can join us during this COVID times and do not have the hassle to travel to cities or use a smartphone for joining the online classes, and it can be easier for them as we provide the tuition classes at bare minimum, that is low cost prices. So we here at the Blue Sky Venture provide education at very low cost prices. Also, we do not give the students a hard time facing the smartphones or either traveling and walking to faraway places to join tuition classes, as we conduct tuition classes for very nearby living students. And it's been quite a few months that we have started this venture and we are already getting good responses from both parents and the students. So we plan to continue doing the good work. Thank you.